Does Clubhouse have video? Meet Clubhouse, an audio-based social networking app that has recently hit several milestones that commonly propose an insular Silicon Valley obsession might without a doubt go mainstream. Clubhouse is a live, audio-based app in which people collect to talk about a different of topics. There are no written remarks or messages, all interaction is voice-based. As covered by all the big news agencies, it is voice-based social media app where people discuss predetermined topics or whatever's on their mind in rooms. It's a bit like being on a semi-public Zoom call with all the cameras turned off, occasionally struggling to keep track of who is talking. It could sense like an aggregate of TEDx talks and conversational podcasts, with the ailment of a heated community meeting and the recoil thing of a name in radio show thrown in. The format can cause greater spontaneous and revealing conversations than you'd find someplace else, however also rambling and move speak. Clubhouse team say we're working hard to add people to Clubhouse as fast as we can. We're constantly adding new features, improving the product and fixing bugs. We really appreciate your patience and can't wait to welcome you. For more similar videos, please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.